Hi, today we learn how to get star rating with the help of formula. Like we have data here, the product name is t-shirt, jeans, shorts, shirt, socks, rich watch. And here is the rating in number and we need rating in the star. So we'll calculate this formula. We'll use here REPT formula and tab. Now it's asking for text. So you just press window and full stop. I'll get this option and here is a star. You need a star. So you just click on a star and close with double quote like this and one comma, then number times. That means you have to select the rating numbers which is here. Close the bracket and give a enter. Now just copy and drag in entire row. Will get your rating in star, like one rating 1 star, two rating 2 star, three rating 3 star, like this. Thank you.